morning, everyone. You can see today I'm gonna be doing a cleanup in Binna Agro farms. Like I told you guys yesterday, we're gonna be doing cleanup here. So I'm going to give them some few time to go out and catch the sun. So come around. This one. I have already sawdust that I'm going to be using for them. So you can see I have my hand there. I have my shovel. I have my broom. I'll put new one because hygienic is very important. If it's not give good hygiene, you see that you start having diseases. You can see where I'm pouring it. Let me show you where I'm pouring it. Yeah, in Binna Agro farm. Oh, I've burned down feet. My lovely birds. This one they will start laying eggs. There is Binna Agro farm.
Easy
farming in Africa, you know, you have to have a lot of dedication, a lot of patience, and you need to have a lot of capital, liquidity. And these birds, they eat every day. They eat every day. We have birds here, Sasso, we are all feeding for eggs. So they eat every day. We have the brown layers also. We have also in this department. Come and see. Let me show you another department. Also have another department here. They eat every day. And others. In Binna Agro farms, we have a lot of poultry, brown layers also that lay eggs. You can see the environment is greenish. Everybody move around, have some good fun. Oh, this guy just entered inside. This guy just, I cannot know him anymore. He's a very lucky guy to come to European. That's how this work. Thank you very much. I got life here change.
No way.
That's a nice change. Sometimes I do try a lot. The system is just going to do it. But the computer can